All right, I'm videoing this because I used my video program and it did not work. Apparently I turned it off when I was supposed to have it on. Yeah, what a bonehead. Anyway, here is the finished product, and I'm going to zoom in because I do have some interesting things in it. So this was a Dutch pour, and I think it has some very interesting paint reaction. As you can see, I actually only used 3 colors, 2 greens and a kind of a raspberry color, and then I used some metallic gold and rose gold. So yeah, I'm kind of happy with it. It's a little different than what I've usually done. So there you are. I wished I'd have recorded the whole thing, but I didn't. So this is a learning process. That's how you learn, by mistakes. So this is Richard. Have a nice paint pouring day. Later. Just as a follow-up to all of those little tiny little, I don't know what you'd call them, almost like lizard skin or something. This is the secret ingredients I use when I just put it on the canvas on top of the other paints because I didn't know. I wanted to see what happened. But you can see it's Floetrol, Liquitex, and varnish, and it's like 60% Floetrol, 20 and 20. And I have mixed it with paint before and got marginal results. Today I had a little bit left. So today I thought I would just, after I poured the paint for a Dutch pour, I just poured it on top. And the longer I let this sit, the more, maybe you guys can help me figure out what you'd call this, but it's not webbing. It's kind of cool, but I don't know what you'd call it. Anyway, it was fun. I'll try this again. And maybe next time I'll be able to record it and not delete it while I'm recording. Anyway, bye.